The past few days have been exciting ones for investors in the crypto market. After the interest rate hike last Wednesday, the market has remained bullish, with multiple tokens recording multi-week highs. Amidst all the excitement, prediction, and FOMO, a team of developers is making big moves and delivering its promises to investors. Cardano, the largest proof-of-stake network, has been on a roll. The native token of the blockchain has been making giant strides over the past few days. At $1.07, Cardano has gained 30% over the past week and over 10% in the last 24 hours. Will the upward momentum continue? Only time will tell. But if the recently launched Grayscale smart contract platform Ethereum Fund is anything to go by, we may be seeing even bigger moves from Cardano in the coming weeks. Which brings us back to the question, will Cardano prices skyrocket soon, and should you invest in the token? We believe this video will shed some light on some of these issues and help you decide if Cardano is a worthy investment or not. But before we get into the video, ensure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for your continued support. Now, let's dive right in. A recent announcement from Grayscale, the world's largest digital assets manager, reveals Cardano, Solana, Avalanche, and Polkadot as the focus of the firm's new smart contract fund. According to the announcement, the current holdings are Cardano with a 24.6% weighting, Solana at 24.3%, Avalanche at 17%, and Polkadot at 16.2%. The rest of the slot went to Polygon, Algorand, and Stellar at 9.7%, 4.3%, and 4.1%, respectively. According to the announcement, Cardano has the biggest share of the smart contract fund, and there are various ways that can benefit the blockchain. Firstly, having the largest share among other Ethereum killers gives the Cardano blockchain a slight edge over other smart contract platforms, with the exception of Ethereum, of course. Cardano might have been slow when launching its smart contracts capabilities, but the network is notable for being very meticulous with its research. In addition, the network is catching up fast with competitors that rolled out features earlier. Since its Alonzo hard fork, launches have been moving very fast. Cardano's DeFi TVL was less than $100 million in January. Now, less than 3 months later, it has more than tripled in size. Secondly, Grayscale is quite popular with big institutional investors with large money bags. Michael Saylor, the CEO of the asset management firm, explained that the fund would give investors diversified exposure to the crypto market. He added that the ongoing evolution in the cryptocurrency ecosystem has awakened the thirst for diversified exposure among investors. If the fund catches on with the institutional investors and other big money investors, the success will rub off on the spot price of Cardano. We saw a similar thing with the performance of the GBTC fund and the price of Bitcoin. Apart from Grayscale's announcement, the network has also been making huge strides in expansion, further driving positive sentiments for a surge in the token's price. Sebastian Nagel, the team's software engineering lead, recently announced the release of the first version of Hydra node which can connect to the public Cardano testnet. This is our first version of Hydra node which can connect to the public Cardano testnet, version 0.40. It's still a bit tricky to set up, there be dragons and footguns. We aim to improve on the situation with version 0.50 and many more releases to come, Nagel tweeted on Wednesday. Hydra describes a series of Layer 2 solutions meant to improve network security and scalability. It is a critical part of the network's scaling and development journey. In a recent tweet, Charles Hoskinson, the founder of the network, also highlighted how fast the network is growing, surpassing even his own earlier estimate. Hoskinson had earlier predicted that there would be hundreds of assets, thousands of decentralized applications, tons of interesting projects, and lots of unique uses on the Cardano network. Instead of the thousands he predicted, the network now hosts millions of native assets and hundreds of decentralized applications, and it does not seem to be slowing down anytime soon. How are investors responding to all these? They have been accumulating. According to data from data science company Into the Block, Cardano large wallet addresses have been accumulating as the token continues its upward momentum. Here is the tweet from the company. Cardano soars by 10% over the past 24 hours as the accumulation pattern continues. The addresses by holding indicator shows an increasing accumulation across the board in different brackets. Addresses holding 10 to 100 and 100,000 to 1 million Cardano increased their balance by 12% and 11% in 30 days. From these reports, Cardano has it all. Exposure to big investors on a grand platform, multiple exciting and interesting use cases, a conscientious team, and most importantly, a strong community that believes in its development. What do you think? Will the network break out soon and finally take its place as an Ethereum killer? Is there a new all-time high for Cardano sometime within the first half of the year? Or are the reports only going to get traction for a while, then fade off? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.